Today is a really big day because I am launching the laundry chair on Kickstarter. It started as a video here on YouTube, and I know I said I'm never gonna do a Kickstarter campaign again, but here we are, and I can stop whenever I want. I just wanted to show you the Kickstarter video because I am so proud of it. Without much further ado, here is my pitch as to why you deserve a better bedroom chair. Everybody has this chair, covered in clothes that are not clean, but also not dirty. The problem isn't laundry. Washing clothes too often actually wears them out. The real problem is that we don't have a place for half-dirty clothes. So I made this. This is the laundry chair, but it's not just a chair, it's a storage solution. How's that for snazzy Kickstarter language? The rail lets you hang the clothes you're still wearing, and when you don't want to look at them, it rotates neatly out of sight behind the chair. My name is Simone Yach. I am an inventor and the founder of Yach Studio, and for the last 10 years, I've built everything from shitty robots, which, yes, that's the technical term, to custom pickup trucks. I love figuring out how to add functionality to everyday objects, like this coat hanger that folds in half so you can add storage to shallow spaces, or this calendar that you can use to track your daily habits. I actually built the first version of this chair for a YouTube video in 2024. Imagine that these are chair legs. There's also a rail like this that you can use to hang your clothes on. Since then, so many of you have reached out asking where you can buy it, but I can't just take your word for it. That's why we're doing a Kickstarter, so you can put your money where your thumbs are. Over the last year, we've refined and tweaked the original design, making it lighter, more durable, flat packable for safe shipping, while keeping the sole the same. It's made from hardwood with premium fabric and a built-in ball bearing system that lets the rail move smoothly and quietly. The laundry chair gives your half-dirty clothes the home they deserve and a chair you can actually sit in, because I believe that good design should align with how we actually live. So if you have that chair, then this is the upgraded version. Okay, bye.